Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at Survey, which is a brand new web application that's going to allow you to create surveys using an artificial intelligence. Now, there are a couple of problems with this product. I'm going to explain that later in this video. Now, in this review video, guys, we'll talk about the pros and cons of this product, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this product, and we'll talk about the problems that you may encounter with this product, and I'm going to help you guys solve those problems with my custom-made bonuses. And I want you guys to stick with me till the end of this video because I have a very special surprise for you. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're on the membership of Survey, and there are a couple of problems with this application because the main purpose of this application is to increase value or to increase revenue to your products or services that you sell online. And Neil explained that in this case study right here. He added extra 25K in his ARR product with Survey. And you can also do that because what this application can do for you guys is is going to allow you to create surveys using artificial intelligence. All right, and with that you'll be able to identify what are the problems or what are the things that you should improve to your products and services online, and that's how you improve your products or services to make more profit or to make more money, right? But the problem is that what if you don't have a product or services online and you really wanted to make money using Survey, right? And that's where my bonus comes in. I'm going to show you guys two ways to make money with Survey even if you don't have products or services online. One of the method is to promote product using ClickBank Marketplace. Now, there are a lot of offers that you can use to promote product or services using ClickBank, but I highly suggest to go with health and fitness because you can create some sort of quiz, something like this. Now, this offer is a job hiring offer, and now you can create some sort of quiz, something like this, inside of Survey, right? See this question right here. Do you have a reliable internet connection? If the person answer is yes, he then presented to another question. What social media platform do you use? Let's say Facebook. And then he'll be able to check his answer. And then he will then redirected to another page which he can learn more about this offer. And once they buy this offer, you can make money in your ClickBank account, right? And you can easily create that survey, that kind of quiz inside of Survey. And I'm going to show you that later in this video, right? But the problem of this method is that even if you have offers, you have already surveys created, you cannot really make money if you don't have if you cannot find people to buy your products that you're trying to promote on ClickBank. That is why this is my bonus comes in, right? Sorry about that. I'm going to show you a secret platform to bring in 15K to 600K monthly real website visitor to your to your survey landing page or whatever, whatever you call it, right? So you can bring in 15K to 600K monthly website visitor to your survey form or to your survey landing page with this bonus right here, right? So that's my bonus number one. I'm going to show you exactly what platform is this, and only few people knows about this platform, right? So my second bonus for you guys is the second method that to make money with Survey is to sell this survey to local businesses or to Fiverr or to a marketplace, right? In my second bonus, guys, I'm gonna show you where to sell your survey, survey as a service, um, to a secret platform. And this is not Fiverr because we know a lot of people, Fiverr is a saturated platform. A lot of people are trying to make money with Fiverr, but there's a lot of competition. But I'm gonna show you guys I'm gonna show you a secret platform where to sell your survey as a service, right? So that's my bonus number. That's my extra bonus for you. Another extra bonus, guys, is if you wanted to sell a survey to local businesses, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna give you a business list that are interested in Survey, and I'm gonna give you a proven to convert copy and paste template that you can just send to local businesses. Just copy and paste this template to close clients, so that way you can really make money with Survey. Now, my special bonus for you guys is if you take a look at the integrations right here, click on integrations. See this right here? Integrations is Mailview and Sendio, right? I'm gonna give you access for this email marketing software right here, right? So you guys can can easily import your leads once you create your surveys right here. You'll be able to automatically import your leads with with Sendio email marketing software, and I'm gonna give you access. I'm gonna give access to you for free. I'm gonna create your Sendio account for free, right? Now, if you take a look at Sendio, the price of Sendio is $87. Let me show you what is this all about. Sendio is an email marketing software, right? And you can integrate this inside of your survey account, so you don't need to to use any other or to import and export your leads. So basically, you can just basically automatically import your leads inside of your survey account of Sendio. Now, Sendio is a powerful email marketing software, and the price for this software is, let's take a look at this, guys, because this is not crappy product. This is a premium product. This one right here is $87 per personal use. I'm gonna give you access. I'm gonna give you access to this for free if you use my link down in the description of this video, which is my affiliate link. If you use, if you wanna, purchase Survey. Now, on top of that, guys, I'm gonna give you access to all of these amazing bonuses as well. Right? My bonus number one is WP Training Kit PLR. This is a PLR product, which means you can sell this as your own. You can add in your name. You can sell it as your own, and then basically you can install this on your website or domain, right? That's my bonus number one. My bonus number two, guys, is another PLR product. So if you wanted to have another products that you wanted to sell, then this is one of the best products that you can use to sell online. Google Ads Mastery with PLR. So this means, guys, you can put in your name as as the owner of this product. Now, all these PLR products comes with marketing resources like done for you website, done for you graphics, and done for you um, sales pages that you can use if you want to sell this, right? That's my bonus number three. Now, my bonus number that's two, that's three. This my bonus number three, guys, is fill our YouTube authority. Now, if you take a look at each one by one of them, you're gonna see that this is a premium product. Let's take a look at this, guys, so you can really see that you're gonna get massive value out of my bonuses, because my bonuses is not crappy products, right? So if you take a look at the price for WP uh, training kit is the price for this is, let's take a look at the pricing for this. See this right here, it's $14, $9, it's $14, right? And that is yeah, so basically that's the pricing for WP create training. So let's take a look at the Google Ads Mastery, so you guys can really see that this is a premium product. So my bonus number two is Google Ads Mastery, and this product is premium product as well. And if you take a look at the price for this, see this right here, it's $9. It comes with private label rights. So that's my bonus number two. My bonus number three, guys, is YouTube Authority. And let's, you know what, you can I'm gonna put a link down in the description of this video to this document, so you guys can you know can learn more about this product, my bonuses, if you wanna pick up a survey using my link down in the description of this video. So just visit this document, and learn more about the product, the bonuses that I give to you. Right, so that's my bonus number three. My bonus number four is as another fill our product. Solopreneur can also put in your name with this product and make it as your own. Bonus number five is um, 7 ways to profit from Bitcoin, which is another fill our products. You can put in your name as your own, and then um, these are my other bonuses, which is service based bonuses, which is my virtual tours, which is my bonus number six. My bonus number seven is Videomatic. It's gonna allow you to create interactive videos. Bonus number, um, yeah, this should be bonus number eight. This one is bonus number eight. Business in a box is a WordPress plugin to create another surveys for your website. And yeah, so those are my bonuses. And on top of those bonuses, guys, you're gonna get access to all of these bonuses, special bonuses right here. Same deal. I'm gonna show you where to find 15K to 600K real monthly website visitor, and I'm gonna show you a secret platform to sell your Survey as a service. This is not Fiverr. This is not freelancer. This is a secret platform that is not saturated. It's not saturated yet. So take advantage of this. And I'm gonna give you a business niche to if you wanna sell survey to local businesses. I'm gonna give you a copy and paste template that you can send to local businesses to close clients and to so you guys can make money with survey, right? So that's those are my bonuses. If you guys choose to pick up survey through the link down in the description of this video. Now here's how to create surveys. So basically, just click on surveys right here, and you'll be able to create survey from a blank template, or from you can select a template right here. So in this case, you wanna select choose a template right here, and then this will present it as to a different type of template right here that we can use. We can preview the template, or we can use the template right here. So basically, to use the template, just click on use this template, and then we'll be able to customize our form. So in the settings, you can turn in the visibility of your survey form, and then you can turn it off as a welcome page. And then for the questions right here, this is where you can generate using the artificial intelligence. See this right here. uh, Generate using short text question using artificial intelligence, yes or no questions, and you can basically customize everything. You can delete question right here. See that right here? You can delete this. Let me show you exactly how to use the. Let me go back. Sorry about that. Let me go back to the question again. Let me delete this first. Delete this. Right. So delete this. So let's start a blank, right? So to create a survey using artificial intelligence, basically there are three options right here, like short text questions, yes or no questions, and multiple questions. But you can go with yes or no questions, and you'll be able to put in how many questions that you want to create. Let's say three questions, and uh, question subject, let's say weight loss. If you want to choose weight loss to promote product on ClickBank, and then let's just put in female, and then in language is English, and then just click on generate questions, and it will automatically generate your questions in the background right here. See this right here? Now, these are the questions that artificial intelligence is generated, and you can basically this is the code that you can copy and paste, and paste this to any some sort of website builder, WordPress. If you have a WordPress website, you can just copy and embed this form um, to any WordPress to any page builder that you have. And you can also if you don't want to use web you actually don't need to have a website for this, because you can basically use their hosting. You can basically click on live preview right here, and then you'll be able to preview um, your survey. But basically you can customize everything. This one right here is the let's customize that one. Let's take a look at the settings. You should be able to to rename your to rename your um, survey right here. And let's take a look at how to rename that one. This one in the customization section. Right, see this right here. So you can customize the name like weight loss. Uh, how to how to lose weight within within like something like within 7 days, some sort of question right there. And then you can save this, and then what you can do now is to to refresh this one, and you'll be able to see the changes right here. And if click on start, then you'll be able to answer all the questions that are necessary in your survey right here. So that's basically how you can create a beautiful, take a look at this. This is a beautiful questionnaire that you can use if you want to promote clickbank products, if you don't have a products or services that you sell online, right? So that's basically how to create your surveys. And then there's a tutorial right here which they show you how to exactly use this web application. And there's an integration section. Well, you'll be able to to connect your mailview if you have a mailview account, or Sendeo, which is my bonus right here, guys. I highly suggest to pick up a survey through the link in the description of this video, so you guys can take advantage of my Sendeo as my special bonus for you. All right. And so that's basically I think that will be in this video. That will be this review, guys. And you can get access to unlimited plan if you wanted to upgrade your account. And if you wanted to get the agency plan, then you can just basically check it out here. And there are a lot of other upgrades that you may want to consider if you want to upgrade your account into if you want to make money with Survey. Alright, so I think that would be in this video. If you have any questions about this product, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.